Hello everyone, today I'll go over some basic word functions when starting from scratch. For instance, if you have a specific font and size you would like to change, here under the Home tab, we can see that has the blue line. Under it says Calibri, that's the font name. And there's many options to choose from, but I'm just going to pick Times New Roman. And next to it, this number represents the font size. So you can click on it, and you could click a number, or you could directly type into it and pick a number. So I put 40. I'm just going to put hello. Here we could see how the font and the size came out. However, if you don't like it, you can always click and drag. Then you could go back and you could change the font and you could change the size. Let's say you prefer the original font, you could always go back and it's going to go back to how you had it. Another thing you could do is you could click and drag. You could bold something. Make sure to click it to get rid of it. You could also italicize and you can underline. Once you're done with your Word document, you could click File and then you could save as. Thank you.